There was yesterday a massive procession for Muharram in Hyderabad, and this totally flouted any kind of protocols, any sort of social distancing. You can see many people not even wearing masks there. So Uma, and usually this procession, we believe, is led by an elephant, but they didn't have that this time around.
Yes, indeed. This is the Muharram procession. So the mourners are all there on the roads, but the police had given very, very strict instructions saying that you cannot have a procession, you cannot have COVID protocols being violated. And yes, the usual caparisoned kind of an elephant that leads this procession, that was not there. But as you can see in those pictures, very, very worrying that hundreds, in fact, and no social distancing, of course, and no masks either, which these are all very, very basic things that we have been talking about. And Hyderabad has been among those districts of Telangana which has been reporting the highest number of cases. So what experts are pointing out is that in this kind of a should I say competitive kind of religious processions as well, because after these kind of visuals that came out for the Muharram related procession, those who are celebrating Ganesh Utsav and who are asking for the immersions to be allowed, they are saying that you are allowing this to happen in the old city of Hyderabad, and why cannot we have similar processions? Tomorrow, of course, is a big immersion day, and the government, the authorities have said that you cannot have huge numbers of people coming in, no more than 16 people coming in for every idol, and all that also is supposed to be following social distancing norms. But all in all, these kind of processions certainly adding to the worry of Hyderabad.